Hello YouTube. Thank you for posting and logging in and posting comments and questions. Hopefully we can get back to you with any comments or questions you may have about this blog. This video concerns cleanouts and how they operate and how to unclog a cleanout. What you're looking at here is called a 4-inch cleanout tee. Okay, this is the tee from top to bottom right here. Okay, this centerpiece is a cleanout cap. Now this square here is where you actually unscrew your cap. If you have a pair of large channel locks, or I prefer a pipe wrench, sometimes you can't get those things in there, so you'd have to go down to a smaller pair of channel locks or something like that. I've even used a screwdriver on the top right here and touched it with a hammer if you have room like that as well. Sometimes you run into brass ones which will not, I find 8 times out of 10, will not come off your cleanout, and those are usually on cast iron fitting. So this is a plastic fitting. This is scheduled 40 PVC. When you hear scheduled 40, you say, oh my God, what's scheduled 40? Scheduled 40 is a thickness of pipe, and it's used for sanitary lines. There's also schedule 35, schedule 80, and so on and so forth. Now this is actually called a stack. That's connected to the tee above it here. There's a stack, okay, and that runs up the wall, okay, and across the ceiling. And then it disappears right there. You can't see the rest of it, but that actually shoots up through the rest of the center of the house and connects to the rest of the plumbing in the house. A lot of people don't know what stacks are. So that is a stack that goes all the way down to the floor, underneath the foundation of the house, 18 inches underneath foundation's code. At least, and then out to the sewer main. So this is Cincinnati, Ohio. I don't know, everybody may be different around the world, around the cities, whatever, what have you. So that is a cleanout stack, and this is a cleanout tee. To unscrew this, you just obviously take your pair of channel locks or your pipe wrench, place it on this square bit here, and then turn counterclockwise. Lefty is loosey, righty is tighty. So keep that in mind as well. Now I'm not going to take that off on this segment, but I will show you what we use here at Plumtree in order to auger those drains. And this here is called an electric eel. It's a 3/4 line inside this barrel here. Okay, and the barrel winds in there all the way around. And then on the tip here, you have different tips that we can appropriate to accommodate the clog. If you have a really bad tree root problem, we have different tips that can actually cut through those, and they're a lot bigger. They're round. They have teeth on them and what have you. This is more of a spade tip, which kind of pushes clogs through. Like if you had smaller clogs such as toilet paper and etc., you could use that. I like the electric eel. It's a popular model. It's a national brand. This particular model is a 1/3 horsepower. It is the largest you can get in a barrel setting. The next up is 1.25 inches, and those auger lines actually come in about 7-foot sections. That you have to connect intermittently as you go through the drain. Those are effective as well, and actually this only goes about 100 feet, where those can go up to 200 or more, so depending on the size of the motor of your machine. So that is my segment on cleanouts, stacks, and sewer machines. If you have any questions, you can always post our blog down below. I think everybody knows how YouTube works. My name is Billy again. You can visit us at plumtreecompany.com. We're based in Cincinnati, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching.